Maar mensen, ik wil net zeggen, dank voor allemaal wat de canvas voor het baby shower.
I appreciate everybody.
Okay, so ik wil net zeggen that everything here, you can't just take for you. You must ask for us first. Hey, ik heb betaald. So anyway, and also I just want to tell you, this is my kunstpaar. I know, I don't know what I was thinking, but it's maar net so. But I just want to say for the people who didn't bring for me presents, ons het vir hulle 'n watertafel gemaak buite. So you can, do you have a name for me?
Rafik.
Rafik?
Cindy.
Rafik and Cindy, you can go outside for long kids. We will come for you now. But daar is my phone.
Ik weet gewoon, ik was 9 maanden laatst hier geweest, maar ze is 6 maanden pregnant. Ik kan niet even staan, like, hoe weet hij? Is dat possible? Ik denk het is mijn kind niet, maar zeg het me explain.
Wat praat jullie boring?
Nee, baby, ik heb wel dank je 7 minuten wat ik heb gebeld. Maar baby, ik speel gewoon mee. Ik was 9 maanden laatst hier, maar zij zijn 6 maanden.
I can tell for you how it works. It's a miracle, baby.
Oh, dus ik speel aan de kinderen.
Yes,
dus met Fika.
Met Fika en onze die baby. We are blessed. You must be appreciated. You must give them non-support.
Thank you.
But anyway, we'll next say for the people, you're not by Spa. Moenie net balloons fatty for your children nie. As 3 for 5 rand. My papa will take the 5 rand and write for your name in the bookie.
But we just want to also thank everybody for taking up the time.
Nee. What? They is lucky to be for us. They must enjoy for them with us. And also, the other actually mixed drink packies.
Yeah, the diffusion.
Okay, Iki is going to give everybody a packy from the mixed drink.
And it's 1 per person.
1 per person. You must make sure you get 2 drinks. You can come to the front. We will give you water in your cup. You must enjoy for you. It's a very posh party. Okay, and what else is there? Please don't carry for anything away. We will watch for you. And don't steal. And don't look in the drawer. There's no money. My man had die geld nie. So don't even bother.
Ik heb allemaal die gedings.
So die geld gegee, but I did pay for it.
Oh,
So
okay,
it's me.
Dank je voor jou, baby. Dat
I am so. But anyway, everybody, from me and Iki, enjoy for you.
Dank je, baby.